Changing the subject of formula, we are given S is equals to pi r squared plus pi rh. Pi r squared is equals to pi rh, and we want to make h the subject of the formula. So to make h the subject of the formula, this part has h and this one does not have h. So the part which have h should be in each side. So this part will jump to this side, so it becomes s minus pi r squared is equals to pi rh. So to make this h the subject of the formula, we have to divide this side, divide everything by pi r. So this will cancel with this. So therefore our h is equals to s minus pi r squared over pi r. That's our h. We have made h the subject of the formula. Then we also have s is equals to ut plus half at squared, and we want to make a the subject of formula. So to make a the subject of formula, the first thing we have to clear this fraction. How do we clear this fraction? We multiply everything by half. So we multiply by 2 both sides, everything by 2. So here s times 2 is 2s. 2 times ut is 2 ut plus 2 and 2 will cancel, so plus 80 squared. So the part which have a should be in each side, and this part will jump to this side. So our 2s, 2 ut will jump to this side, and it becomes minus 2 ut is equals to 80 squared. So to make a the subject of the formula, we have to divide both sides by t squared by t squared. Cancel. So our a is equals to 2s minus 2ut over t squared. Thus we have made a the subject of the formula. Then another question, we have m bracket x plus y is equals to x plus 5m minus 5. Okay, let me wrap this part. Then we want to make m the subject of the formula. M the subject of the formula. So to make m the subject of the formula, there is a bracket here. The first thing is to clear this bracket. So m times x is mx plus my. This m will multiply everything in the bracket. Is equals to x plus 5m minus 5. Then everything which have m should be on their side. So we have mx plus my. This 5m will jump to this side and becomes negative 5m is equals to x minus 5. So this side m is common, so we factor out this m, and here it becomes x plus m into my, it becomes y, m into this one becomes negative 5 is equals to x minus 5. So To make m the subject of the formula, we divide both sides by x plus y minus 5. X plus y minus 5. This and this will cancel, so our m is equals to x minus 5 over x plus y minus 5. This is our m. That's how we make m the subject of the formula. Then let me rub. Y is equal to t minus 3 over 1 minus t. And we want to make t the subject of the formula. We want to make t the subject of the formula. So to make t the subject of the formula, we multiply. The first thing is to clear the fraction. So we multiply everything by the denominator, which is 1 minus t. Here we multiply by 1 minus t. This 1 minus t will cancel with this one. So here it's the same as y is multiplying this one. 1 minus t is equals to t minus 3. Then y times 1 is y. Y times minus t is minus t y is equals to t minus 3. Then to make t the subject formula, we have to collect the like terms. This one has t and there's t here. So here our y, negative 3 is jumping to this side, it becomes positive 3. Then we have our t here, negative ty, we jump to this side, it becomes positive ty. Then our y plus 3 is equals to, then there is t which is common here. We factor out t. T into t is 1. T into ty is y. Then we divide both sides by 1 plus y. 1 plus y. So our t is equals to y plus 3 over 1 plus y. That's the value of t. Then another question, we are given a is equal to pi r squared, and we want to make r the subject of the formula. We want to make r the subject of the formula. So to make r the subject of the formula, here we have to divide both sides by pi. So our a over pi is equals to r squared. So here to make r the subject of the formula, there is r squared. So to remove that square, we square root both sides. So we have to square root both sides, square root both sides. So the square root and the square will cancel each other. So our r is equals to square root of a over pi. Thus, we have made r the subject of the formula. R the subject of the formula. We have made r the subject of the formula. Then another question, x over a plus y over b is equals to 1. And in this case, we want to make B the subject of the formula. We have to make B the subject of the formula. So there is a fraction here and there is 1 here. So we have to clear the fraction. So to clear the fraction, we multiply everything by the common denominator. And our common denominator is AB. So we multiply everything by AB times AB times AB. This A and this A will cancel. Then here is BX plus this B and B will cancel. A times Y, AY is equals to 1 times AB is AB. Therefore, we want to make B the subject of the formula. Those with B should come on one side. So which means our BX, this AB will come to this side and it becomes negative AB is equals to this AY will come to this side and becomes negative AY. So here B is common, we factor out B. And our X, B into BX is X, B into AB is A. So it's negative A is equals to negative AY. So we divide both sides by X minus A, X minus A. So this and this will cancel. So which means our B is equal to negative AY over X minus A. Thus, B is now the subject of the formula. B is now the subject of the formula.
And for more of these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to like and share.